Hello guys! My vlog today is all about do-it-yourself nail polish. So, I'm doing this from time to time if I have time to do it. But most of the time I cannot do. So, sometimes if there's occasions, I'm really doing it. So this time only, I'm gonna show you how I do my do-it-yourself nail polish. Come and watch my vlog. Hi guys, so I'm done with my 4 fingers. I already painted with my nail polish, which one is the gray color. But then in ring finger, I'd like to use a different color because I think it's like not boring to use. So I prefer color white. I have blue also. No, it's a violet. But then when I put it in my nails, it becomes like color blue. So I don't like. I have pink one also. But then I think it's not much. So better the white one. I think it looks good. So I'm gonna use this one. So I chose the white one and I'm gonna wear it. Gonna use it, I mean. So this looks good and gorgeous. Just enjoy watching guys. Oops, it's shaking. You know. Shaking. So how do you think guys? This looks good, right? So I'm not gonna put it again because it's like real white. So this is it, and yeah. So guys, it's done. Look how is my Actually, the white one is really matching in the gray. So I think anything you can pair with the white one. It's really matching in any colors. So now I'm gonna use this one. You know what is this? This is a colorless nail polish. And this one is just only to make it a little bit shining. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use the colorless. This one looks different when you put this one. And it's like nothing, but then there's what is that? There's a little bit effect because it's like shining. So that fast, I'll just do that. After that, I'm gonna do it again in my other hand for my other fingers. Sharon, how is it, guys? How does it look? Beautiful, right? So again, I'm gonna apply this colorless in my other hand. That would be, just get ready guys, because this would be a mess. Because my left hand is shaking. I don't know if I'm gonna do this. Oh, it's really hard. Oh, it's really shaking guys. So don't mind. It'll be fine. Anyways, I just like to, as long as there is a nail polish, it's fine. I forgot. The one should have a different color. Okay, I erase it later. Here you go. Oops. So I have here this one with the, I'm gonna erase this one. I forgot guys. I'm gonna use acetone. Acetone to make it fast to erase the nail polish. It's very good chemical. Sharp. So like that, easy as that. I actually want to learn how they put like this design, like flowers, hearts. I'm still practicing it. So I'm gonna use this one. Soon guys, I'll make a vlog that I'm gonna practice other designs. Soon. Oh, it's really shaking. Sorry, this will become really big mess. Oh no. It's fine. So, yeah. Again, I'm going to make it double. Let's do it double so that this looks good. Here we go. Ayan. Let's do it one time. Ayan. Oh no. Ayan. So we're done. I'm going to double it again in the white one because it's look not good. It's a little bit ugly. It's really getting dry fast. I don't know because I have my AC. It's working. So it's done guys. Let's do this. Again, I'm gonna do this later on. Let's make it dry first. It's really hard guys, it's really shaking my hand. I don't know. It's fine. I'm doing this fast. So it's done, we're finished. Dun, dun, dun. So guys, it's finally done. This is the result of my do-it-yourself nail polish. Actually, I want to make more designs and I'm still learning it, and soon I'm going to vlog it, and let's see. So how it looks, guys, it looks nice, but don't think about this one because as I told you, my hand is shaking here, so it's a mess. So it's fine because this is only just for everyday nail polish. Thank you guys for watching, and bye!